Hello, cruisers. This is Rick Wade, the Texas Cruiser. Breaking news today, I think quite a few of us in the blogging community kind of figured this is going to happen soon. Carnival has announced the order of the 4th XL class ship for Carnival. It'll join the sister ships Mardi Gras, Celebration, and Jubilee. It's going to be 180,000 tons in that range, similar to the other three. And it's going to have a 6,400 passenger capacity in that range, like the others. I'm sure it's going to have some of the update features and all, but they haven't really announced anything new other than it's going to have all the stuff that people are ranting and raving about on these XL class ships. I know quite a few cruisers and all have sailed on the XL class, Mardi Gras, Celebration, and Jubilee. I know for sure about Jubilee here in Galveston, and absolutely fell in love with the ships. So that they do have a great following, and is going to have another one for them to sail on. They haven't announced when or where the ship's going to be home porting from. It is due to be built by 2027, and it's going to be in Wirefurt shipyard that's built the others, and it's Wirefurt also. It's going to be an LNG ship, so Wirefurt very well know how to build a ship with LNG fuel service. This is going to be exciting news for a lot of you Carnival fans out there, and like I said, I knew Carnival would go sit on their hands for very long. They're going to have to get a shipbuilding bug here soon, and it looks like they seen the popularity of the XLs, and so let's build another XL. And I'm sure they'll have a lot of people clamoring to get on this one too. So anyway, like I said, she's going to have all the same restaurants and physical activities, fun things to do, water parks, and the roller coaster and all that fun stuff. And as soon as I find out a little more information on concepts, if there's going to be any changes on any of the features and stuff, I'm sure there's going to be some tweaks. You know, there always are. There are always little tweaks that sets this out a little separate from the others. And as soon as I find out what those are, I'll let you guys know. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you on a future cruise. Goodbye.